Today, the Adventuring Stills visit Jackson Center, Ohio at the Airstream Manufacturing and Museum. We had such a great time and can't wait to show you more. Looks like we're in good company with all the Fords around here. Alright, so today we're here at the Airstream Museum, which is very new. They got a new manufacturer. We're about to go see that here in a little bit, but we're at the museum taking a look at everything they have here. Pretty cool. So we'll show you around a little bit, make it quick. This one is pretty neat. The kids got to do it with they got up there on the bicycle. Jay, do you want to go show them the bicycle? It's a little big for them. I think we can make it happen though. There we go. So it's a little big for them, but it's pretty funny. So they have Wally and Stella. They have their original Airstreams, what they've used to travel around in the country. This was the gold Airstream. It traveled all over the United States, actually all over the world. Did some European travel, all that. So they painted it gold and designed it for Stella to match their tow vehicle. It was something she wanted, designed the way she wanted, and she wanted it to match the tow vehicle. So that's it. There.
Golden ears.
I'm trying to see the inside real quick. It's her design. Hard to see in there. You can only go so far. Then we have this one over here. 869 days. 869 days around the world. This one spent going. This is a couple. Their name was, I can't remember their name, but that one went 869 days around the world. Another little portion of the Airstream Museum part. We have all the stickers, all the tags that are part of Airstream, what they've done over the years. You can see they've got the classic, they've got the ambassador, they've got a base camp, international, land yacht, Eddie Bauer, Argosy, or try to say that one, but we've seen a few of them. It's actually one over here, this white one. Now check this thing out. It was designed for funerals. That's what I said. So you put the casket back here. Casket goes in here. And then the family would go in here. So you got the two seats, family. Pretty weird, but cool. So we got our kids in front of the presidential emblem here. It's just like a little picture thing here. Alright, so we're here finishing up our museum tour. It's been great. It's awesome. We would definitely recommend coming. It is it's not a very big tour. It's only about an hour and a half walk through. If you really dig in, you're going to spend about an hour here, hour and a half most. So I would say come in before your factory tour. Get it scheduled online, and it's just something to see. A lot of number ones, owner number ones, which would be Wally and Stella. This is one of theirs. That one went to Europe, South Africa, United States, South America. Traveled a lot. They painted it white because they had a white Cadillac. That's pretty cool. And so all of them, it looks like all of them they had it painted to match. Stella wanted them to match. This one is one that just went to all the states. Well traveled. It's got some cool stickers in here. They've got some of the first self-contained Airstreams in here. But you can see all these national parks: Crater Lake, Mount Hood, Olympic National, Grand Canyons, all the cool things. So yeah, it's just a great museum, and we'll go do the factory tour. We had about a 30-minute break between finishing the museum and our scheduled tour time. So we decided to hang out by the fire, enjoy their beautiful lobby, and spend lots of money in the gift shop. This is us getting ready to go in for the tour. They will not allow cameras, so we'll see you back here soon. Hi. Okay, well, we just got done with our tour. They wouldn't allow cameras inside, but we got a little view of what's going on. It was super cool. It took about a little over an hour. It was a great tour. It showed us everything we could possibly see, and it was pretty cool. So what do y'all think?
It was awesome. It was awesome. If we didn't want to Airstream before, which we did, then we definitely want one now. So.
No, we do. They're pretty nice, and they're well built. Like, the quality control is just one of a kind, bar none, compared to a Jayco, which we love our Jayco. It's a little different. So one day, maybe we'll make it a goal for a year from now. What do you think, Mama?
This one, and I picked this one, and I picked...
JD's all about the design. He might come work here. Might be an engineer for Airstream one of these days. So
I got about 5. I got a Pottery Barn, a Classic, an Atlantis. It's a van that has a slide. Atlas, Flying Cloud, and a base camp.
Okay. If you love Airstreams like we do, this is a must visit. We had such a great time. It was a great experience for both Claire and I and our children. It took about 3 hours to get through the museum and the tour, but totally worth it. Let's end by saying their mission statement. To open a whole world of new experiences, a new dimension and enjoyment, where travel, adventure, and good fellowship are all your constant companions.